Sheetal Sudhakar from Sanjuni College of Engineering, Kopargaon, with my co-colleagues Kaike Rushikesh, Srushti Gadekar, Gayatri Gunjar and Akshay Hun. This is our CI project of power electronics, and name of our project is automatic street light sensors using LDR. The components used in these projects are as follow: relays, LED bulb, LDR, 9 volt battery, 10 volt resistor, BC 547, 407 diode and many more. Now let's see functions and workings of these components. First, let's see about LED bulb. What actually this LED bulb means? This LED bulb stands for light emitting diode, and this has the efficiency of producing the light up to 99%. And how it actually works: when the light source is emitting through this and source of a light is coming out of this, the visual light is results it is the sensing of the LED bulb. Next comes the zero PCB. Now what's this zero PCB means? This is the basically a general purpose printed board with a wide range of product available on the market. This is also called as the DOT zero PCBs. Now next will be explained by Akshay.
Hello friends, myself Akshan. I am here to tell the further components. First one, relay. Relay is associated with nursing electrically operated switch. Many relays use a magnet to mechanically operated switch. Second one, LDR. LDR is a sensor is used to detecting the presence of surrounding light so that during the day when sun is bright. Street light when the sun is switched off automatically. Third one, 9 volt battery. 9 volt battery is an electric battery that supplies a nominal voltage of 9 volt. Actual measures 7.2 to 9.6 volt depending of a battery chemistry. Further will be explained by Srushti Gadekar.
Friends, I am Srushti Gadekar. There are totally 9 components being used in this model. So the next components which are used in this model are 5 volt relay. 5 volt relay is an automatic switch that is commonly used in automatic control circuit to control high current from low current signals. The input voltage of the relay signal ranges from 0 to 5 volt. Then is the 10K resistor, which is commonly used in breadboards and other prototyping applications. These 10K ohm resistors make excellent pull-ups and current limiters. There is DC 547. DC 547 is a bipolar junction transistor which has 3 terminals, that is emitter, base, collector. Then it is about 4007 diode. 4007 diode is designed specifically for circuits that need to convert alternating current to direct current.
Hi, my name is Gayatri Gunjar and I will explain about the working principle of a project. First we will see how LDR light works. The resistance across the LDR varies with the light intensity. When light intensity is high, then the resistance across the LDR is become low. So the base of the transistor DC547 is connected to the ground through LDR. The current path is first positive volt battery is connected to the 10K resistors, and 10K resistors is connected to the LDR, and LDR is connected to the ground. So the current through the 10K resistors cannot flow through the LDR. Then the current path is 10K resistors fed positive pulse to transistor base. If the light intensity become low, then the transistors become very high across the LDR. The NPN transistor current path is a positive volt to the 10K resistors, and 10K resistors is connected to the base 547. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Kaike Rushikesh. I will tell you advantages of the project. During daytime, there is no requirement of street light. So the LDR keep the street light off until the light level is low or the frequency of the light is low. Next, huge reduction of energy and maintenance cost. Suffer traffic due to increased visibility of hazard.
Now it's time to look how actually this project works. As the 230 supply is applied into this bulb or the circuit, then the bulb start glowing, and when we give a torch or when the sunlight is applied across the LDR, then the bulb automatically gets stopped glowing.